Hello and welcome to Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well. Today's recipe is oven-baked eggplant strips prepared in a different way. If you are interested in this recipe, follow along from start to finish. Here I have 2 eggplants. I peel the eggplants partially and then I will come back. I cut them like this and trim them slightly. I shape them this way. I cut all the eggplants using this method. I sprinkle salt over them and let them rest for 15 minutes. I mix them and leave them again to release moisture. This step helps remove excess water so the eggplant turns crispy. This will give a crispy texture. I leave the eggplant to release the water and come back afterward. Here I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I also have 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You can use any type of sesame seeds you prefer. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic. I add spices along with paprika and dried basil. Salt is adjusted to taste because the eggplant will be rinsed later. This removes the excess salt completely. I add 30 grams of Parmesan or regular cheese and mix well. Everything is mixed evenly. After 15 minutes, I rinse the eggplant well with water. This removes the excess salty liquid. I place the eggplant on paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. I dry the eggplant thoroughly. Make sure it is completely dry. I add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I mix well until all the eggplant is coated with oil. I prepare to add the mixture. I sprinkle the mixture evenly. I line the baking tray with parchment paper and arrange the eggplant. I bake the eggplant in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Once cooked, we will check the final result. For the sauce, I use 1 cup of plain yogurt. I add olive oil and lemon juice. I also add garlic, and a small amount of spices. I add a little salt and oregano or marjoram. I now add the olive oil. I add the lemon juice. I add the spices mentioned earlier. I add a small amount of chopped parsley and mix well. This sauce is quick to prepare and very flavorful. Here is the final look of the eggplant sticks. They are delicious and will quickly become a favorite recipe. This sauce pairs perfectly with the eggplant. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more recipes.